If you're hunting for the perfect Dutch oven, you've probably come across the Tramontina 7QT covered Dutch oven. It promises European-style craftsmanship and top-tier performance, but hold on, here's what surprised me. Despite a glowing 4.7-star rating, there are some hidden quirks you need to know before dropping your hard-earned cash. Most reviews will tell you it's the dream pot, but I'm here to give you the real scoop, the good and the not-so-good, so you don't end up with a kitchen dud. But who exactly is this pot for? Whether you're a slow-cooking enthusiast, a passionate home chef, or just someone who loves hearty stews and homemade bread, this Dutch oven is marketed as your next culinary sidekick. Yet the question remains, does it live up to the hype under the pressure of daily cooking demands? Stay tuned because I'll reveal some lesser-known facts that could change your mind. Ready? Let's deep dive. The Tramontina 7QT Dutch oven boasts a traditional European-style enameled cast iron design. Heavy-duty cast iron means superior heat retention, so your soups, stews, and cobblers should cook evenly and stay warm for longer. Self-basting condensation ridges inside the lid are a big selling point. They're designed to collect steam and redistribute moisture evenly over your dish. This means more flavorful and tender results every time. And it's compatible with basically every cooktop out there: gas, electric, ceramic glass, even induction. Plus, it can handle oven temperatures up to 450 degrees F/232 degrees C, thanks to its durable cast stainless steel knob. Now, here comes our first coffee-spilling twist. While the heavy cast iron is great for heat retention, it also means this thing is seriously weighty. If you struggle to lift heavy cookware, this might be a workout for your biceps. Additionally, the off-white porcelain enamel coating is stunning and smooth, but it can chip if you're not careful. So, if you're thinking of throwing it in the dishwasher, nope, hand washing is recommended. I guess this pot isn't a dishwasher's best friend, kind of like me trying to cook without caffeine. Let's talk about the user experience. Many cooks love how effortlessly the side handles let you lift and move the pot, even when it's filled with hearty, heavy meals. But keep in mind, when the thing is full and hot, it's more of a handle with oven mitts and caution moment than a casual grab and go. Here's where the story gets interesting. One customer mentioned their first pot arrived with a minor chip on the enamel. At first, they were concerned about longevity. However, Tramontina's manufacturer backs this Dutch oven with a lifetime warranty, which means if something happens, you're covered. That's peace of mind, though the inconvenience of returning a heavy pot can be a bit of a hassle. Okay, time for a quick joke break to keep things lively. Why don't chefs trust stairs? Because they're always up to something. Now back to the pot, which is more reliable than stairs, thankfully. Now, another interesting twist emerges when you look at the product's versatility. Baking bread in a Dutch oven is a popular trend, and Tramontina's model accepts that challenge. Its heavy lid seals in steam, essential for those crusty artisan loaves. Yet, some users report that the lid can be a bit tricky to remove when hot because the cast iron knob also gets very hot. So no absent-mindedly grabbing the lid without mitts. You want a burn-free experience, right? The vibrant porcelain exterior isn't just for show. It adds an elegant flair to your kitchen, making it perfect for table-to-stove presentations. However, be warned, while the finish is pretty, it can stain over time with certain acidic foods or high-heat cooking. Nothing a good scrub can't fix, but worth noting for perfectionists. Rehook. Wondering if this Dutch oven is worth the price? I'll break down the pros and cons to help you decide if it's your kitchen soulmate or just another cast iron castaway. Starting with the pros. Excellent heat retention means your recipes cook evenly and slowly as intended. The self-basting lid is a game changer for flavor and moisture retention. Compatibility with all cooktops is a massive plus, especially for anyone with induction. And that lifetime warranty adds serious reassurance. Plus, it's large enough to serve a family dinner or batch cook meals. But the cons: If you're on the lookout for lightweight cookware, this enamel Dutch oven is hefty and can get cumbersome. The enamel is prone to chipping if mishandled, so better not juggle knives near it. Hand washing is a must to maintain quality, so dishwasher lovers beware. Also, the stainless steel knob gets hot, requiring oven mitts. Here's another joke before the final verdict. Why did the soup go to the party alone? Because it couldn't find its partner. Har har. All jokes aside, let's talk about the bottom line. So, is the Tramontina 7QT covered Dutch oven worth buying? Despite some drawbacks, it's a solid performer packed with features usually reserved for more expensive brands. If you want a versatile, heavy-duty Dutch oven that can handle everything from stews to bread, and don't mind a little extra weight or the delicate enamel care, this is a fantastic choice. I personally think it offers great value, especially given its lifetime warranty. But if you're a clumsy cook or someone who wants effortless dishwasher cleaning, you might want to proceed with caution. Remember, the pot can be your best friend or a bit of a diva in your kitchen. Plus, it's a beautiful piece to leave on display in your kitchen, kind of like your cookware flex without saying a word. Final joke send-off. What did the Dutch oven say to the burnt stew? I'll give you a lid on that problem. Okay, maybe that was cheesy, but hey, cooking is supposed to be fun, right? If you want to grab the best deal on the Tramontina 7QT covered Dutch oven, check the link in the description below. I've done the homework so you can get it at the best price on Amazon today. To summarize, excellent heat retention, self-basting lid for moist dishes, all cooktop compatibility, lifetime warranty, but watch out for weight, enamel care, and hot knob mishaps. If you're passionate about slow cooking and want a reliable, elegant pot that lasts a lifetime, this might be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more honest and thorough product reviews, helping you cook smarter and shop wiser. Until next time, happy cooking.